Well, 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 what a beautiful tree. Oops a daisy, oops a daisy, oops a dandelion. Let's go under the tree. Let's touch the tree. So beautiful, eh? I love this. Yay! Everyone, it's a new beautiful day to be alive. Every day is a gift and a blessing. We don't know if we wake up or not, and so life's just a total constant surprise. That's the way life is, a constant surprise. So in this video I want to share that in the past I used to just talk sort of without even thinking about what I'm saying, and that's the way most humans do. We learn in society through school and family, friends and all that sort of stuff, television. Just talk, and people talk, and we talk without pausing. So what I'm doing these days, which is very exciting to me, is I talk in a way that I would really love somebody to talk to me in the same type of situation, or even in this exact right situation. Like if I was them, how I'd like someone to talk to me, or even if I'm me now talking to them, I'd love if they were to kind of talk a little more like carefully towards me back, if possible. But usually when people are upset, stressed or triggered, you often notice like arguments happen very easily, right? And fights and arguments, etc. So the way to avoid, to fix or to cure, because it's not about avoiding as much as it is about overcoming, like going beyond fixing the situation. As I love to say, it doesn't matter. It's not that we fall, but it's how we get back up again. Everybody, it doesn't matter how many times we fall. It's how many times we get back up again. So we'll always encounter situations in life where something happens. That's the nature of life. Like I believe we're souls having human experience 100%, and like things happen for our growth, expansion and evolution, for our deepening, for growing. Everyone, it's very, very important to have things like gains and losses, and relationships that don't work out, and business ventures that break down, or health that becomes like terrible, like these big tragic things we call tragedies and losses. But from a soul's perspective it's fine, but from a human's perspective it's eventful, and it's often dramatic and really emotional, and that's to be honoured and revered and respected, you know. But what I want to say in this video is that what I want to keep practicing in my life, and it's working out wonderfully, everybody, not only just like speak to receive beautiful replies, speak beautiful words, everyone. I swear to God, it's so important. So if you want people to speak to you with respect and compassion and understanding, and have patience for you, then you must give compassion, respect and patience to them. So this for me has been working absolutely spectacularly in my life, everyone. So it's the golden rule: treat others like you would love to be treated yourself, and speak to others like you would love to be spoken to yourself. So I know this is so important, everyone. It's truly vital. I really try it out in your own life. It'll change your life and your relationships forever. And this is being extremely careful and conscious and mindful of how you speak, instead of the usual way of like just the careless, unconscious, emotionless type of not very heart-centered, but very emotional and very sort of mental reactions. So it's about overcoming reactions, changing that.